Okay, I'm gonna go over the Leak Intelligence Series 2000 leak detector, leak gopher here. Been looking for a new water heater shutoff valve. Been having some problems with a couple of the other brands, and so one of my customers stumbled onto this company, and I installed one, and I really liked it. So first off, you'll notice it's a 3/4 full port stainless steel ball valve, a lot heavier duty motor. It's got an open and shut on it, so you can activate it that way. Also shows you an indicator as to which way it's going. What I really like about it as well is it uses a phone cable, so you can actually extend this up to 30 feet if you need to, which is great because a lot of times these water heaters, the valve is not located near an outlet. So I like the way that it clips in. It's very solid. And then you've got your controller here, which I'll show you a couple things like about this. So you undo these 4 screws and you can put the 9-volt battery that does come in the package so that you're not carrying extra batteries on your truck. Put the battery in, and then you can also plug it in as well here. So if you're going to run it off the battery, if the battery goes dead, either way, it will start to chirp before it goes out, which is great. And then look at this. This plugs into here, and then your sensor plugs into this other side. You've got a wall outlet, which comes with a fairly long cord. I don't know exactly how long it is, but it looks like maybe 6 foot, which is great. But like, since you can extend this 30 feet, and then if you wanted to add another sensor, so like if you have 2 water heaters, you just buy a different extender here, which you can buy at literally Best Buy, Radio Shack, or even order on Amazon. But then the creme de la creme of the whole thing here is the sensor. So what's kind of weird is I've been asking 2 other companies to build almost exactly this sensor here for, I guess, almost a decade now. The problem is with water heaters is that we were having the other brands use a plastic bag, and it's got a lot of issues with the sensor on it, false readings. So this one has 2 prongs on the bottom, and I don't know if you can see that or not, that way that is, but it basically keeps the prongs up off the pan a good almost 1/8 of an inch or so. And what I really like about that is, and this has some weight to it, so you just set that down in the pan, and that's it. And you plug it in. There's not gonna, no strapping it down, no clipping it in, no worrying about a rat pulling that out or anything like that. It's got some weight to it. It's not gonna give you a lot of false settings. This also has a 10-year warranty on it from the manufacturer. It's got a lot of, the instructions are very detailed, which is great. And I'm really happy to find this company. I've installed a couple of these so far, and I'm really impressed with the way that they work, and the fact that everything comes all in one complete package. And I really like this controller, the setup. A lot of times up in the attic, we have a stud running vertical, and the other sensors don't really allow you to bolt that or to mount that way. But this one has multiple holes to put different screws in, and I really like the idea of everything being on the bottom, not a lot of little goofy wires going on. So anyway, here's the phone number that you can call to talk to somebody there about becoming a dealer if you want. Very good product. Very happy I found it. I'd like to thank my customer a lot for doing that. So anyway, that's it.